Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to use the electronic parking brake on the Land Rover Discovery. Now personally I don't like these electronic handbrakes, I prefer a good old fashioned one you pull up yourself. So I'm just going to start up the Land Rover Discovery. Make sure you've got your foot on the brake when it's starting up and it's in park mode. This is an automatic. Now you have to think of the electronic parking brake like a normal handbrake. Now the icon is on the dashboard there, P, which means the parking brake is on. So imagine it's a normal handbrake and you would release the handbrake by pushing it down. So push that button down, that releases the electronic parking brake. Then I can put it into drive, go off and do my chores, do a bit of off-roading. And then when you come back, just going to reverse it into this parking space, then put it into park mode. And to activate the electronic handbrake, you're literally pulling it up towards you as if you're pulling up a handbrake. And then you get the parking icon up on your dashboard to say that the handbrake is on. So now if I turn it off again by pushing that button, pushing it down, the parking light goes off, and if I activate it, pull it up towards me, if it would be really quiet, you'll hear it. On some models, as soon as you put it into park mode or you switch the ignition off, it will automatically engage the electronic parking brake. And there's some other Land Rover Discovery videos around the edges of the screen. They may be useful to you. Drive safe now.